on the estimation depends on the model and estimation algorithm. For SOC estimation, we are using Kalman filter, as this is the battery is nonlinear. So now we are using an extended Kalman filter. Then next is the estimation of the SOH. As the battery's lifetime, that the energy storage and quick charging and discharging capability deteriorate. The SOS means the qualitative metric for determining the life period of the battery. The precise SOS value is required for the correct SOC estimation. It is not practicable to estimate the SOC using the known SOS. That can only be used as a guide for the estimating the SOC. So here we are using the different methods, but now we are using this model based estimation method because it gives the more accurate result as compared to the other methods. The next is the estimation of the state power. The state of power is defined as the maximum power which can be absorbed or released by the battery during the predefined time interval. The main function of the state of power is to calculate the maximum power under various SOS and SOP. The optimize the relationship between the vehicle power includes the acceleration, climbing performance, and the real-time SOP is subject to temperature, voltage, current, and SOC and available battery. The capacity due to the effect by the thermodynamics and the internal electrochemical dynamics. The SOP estimation method is mainly classified into the 4 types, but we're using this SOC based method. Then the prediction of the RUL. There is a battery performance degradation by using and maintaining it throughout the whole process. The increase of the cycles for charging and discharging, the unidirectional chemical reactions inside the battery reduce the driving mileage of electric vehicles. The RUL prediction is one of the unique functions of the BMS. The RUL is defined as the requisite cycles for maximum present capacity to degrade to specific threshold under the provided rules for charging and discharging. The RUL prediction is the mathematical calculations which are based on the historical data, and recently the data-driven method is mainly used for the RUL predictions. This method is based on reduction, generalization of the battery capacity degradation approach and historical data. This is classified into 3 categories such as the fitting based method, sequencing method, and the filter observation based method. The filter observation method is generally used for the prediction of the battery RUL. The algorithm used for the prediction of RUL at the KF means the Kalman filter, extended Kalman filter, the particle filter, extended Kalman filter, and the spherical curvature, power factor, etc. And this is the conclusion. Here the review of the various functions of the BMS, modeling of lithium-ion battery with different SCM methods are discussed, the estimation of SOC, SOS, SOP, RUL, predictions are overviewed, which are very challenging and key concept for the battery management as well as the energy management. In future, the battery management system algorithm can be tested and implemented in real EV applications. And this is the references. Thank you.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is a review paper, yes? This is a review paper?
Yes, sir.
How many reference papers you have gone through?
Sir, again, sir.
Can you hear me? Can you
So
hear me?
25 research. Yes, sir. Sir, 25 research paper I followed.
From which year onwards?
No, sir. Actually, for this for writing this paper, here I am followed the 25 papers, but till now I am prefer more than 25 means like the 50 papers.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay, anyway, it's a good work. Okay, thank you.
Hello. What are the main inferences of your review study?
Ma'am, actually, in this review study, actually the main is the how to design the lithium ion battery model is the main thing, and next is the state estimation, how to estimate the SOC and SOS and SOP. These are the main concept from this.
Okay, you identified some methods for each one of these. Isn't it? What is your
Yes.
future plan?
So, my future plan is to implement this in the practical application. Here I am using the MATLAB for this getting the result. After that, I'll do for the real time application.
Everything you have simulated also, each step.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Next is the practical implementation.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you doing research or already completed?
No, ma'am. I'm the research scholar from KIT
Okay, okay,
University.
fine.
Now I'm
Okay.
continuing my research.
Okay, okay, fine. And the only thing in your presentation, it's a better practice. You write only the points and try to explain on that instead of writing the paragraphs. That's all only. Otherwise, fine. Best wishes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Any concluding remarks? No. Oh. Anyway, you can just sign the external. Okay.
And do you have any idea for this batting? So we can is for the bike or